After months working on presets, I just launched the 9th version of the Krita brushes for game artists. It's the biggest update so far, with 20 new presets and 3 textures, also a tutorial on cloud painting in the premium version. The set comes in 3 versions. The light one is completely free and it gives you access to more than 20 brushes right now. Then there's the standard package at $9.95, which offers 3 times as many brushes and gets monthly updates. And for those who really want to get the best value, you have the premium tier at $24.95 with an exclusive natural media brush set and video tutorials to help you become a more efficient artist. So these brushes are designed for you to make art faster with Krita. I'll keep updating the set throughout 2017, so it's even going to get better. And for the first 5 buyers, you can use the awesome promo code to get 30% off your purchase. If you made art with the brushes, you can send it to me on Twitter, on Facebook, or just leave a link to your DeviantArt or whatever below the video, because I would love to see it. And if you want, I would even like to share it on social networks. Okay, now we are in Krita, and I wanted to show you some of the new presets available in that version. So you have a dozen of classic presets, including some FX brushes. You can add Gaussian blur and lightly sharpen your images. You can see the effect if I zoom in here. You also have some new quick brushes for inking, so these have excellent performances even on weaker computers. If you are going on a trip with a tablet, you can still ink. And you have some new rock texture brush like that. The lighter you press, the less texture you're adding. It's really efficient for that. You have some splatter brushes to add particles and details really fast on your paintings. But aside from that, you have that new traditional media set that's available in the premium version. And this one is really designed, as the name suggests, after the traditional process. So you have some example brush strokes of all of the 10 brushes available in the first version, and you have them right here. The thumbnails are not too exciting right now, but don't worry, they are going to get better in the next version. I'll jump on a small painting you may have seen in the last update video, and I've improved it a little with the new brush set. If you take a look at these brushes, basically they are really designed so that you are meant to use a traditional process. So you add some paint on the canvas and then you paint directly on the same layer. You have a brush that's really powerful for cloud painting that's going to add details very, very fast, and I'm really looking to add more of these. That's why I've looked into procedural texture creation, because this is really the way for me to fine-tune the brush presets so that they can get really, really powerful effects. So you can see here how fast I'm able to add details to the clouds, and then you have still that smudge preset when you want to blow out some of the edges and add transitions in certain areas and create a lifelike cloud effect. So yeah, for people who bought the brushes already before, you get the premium version for free. You should have the upgrade directly on Gumroad. So it might not be written, but just check that you have the natural presets in your library. And if you do, it's that you have the premium version. These brushes work best if you already have some colors on the canvas, as you can see. Sometimes it's hard to see the texture grain, but if you look closer in some areas, like if I start to zoom in, you can really see the details, and it's changing the feel and the tone of the whole picture. So don't worry if you can't see the grain, you may have to zoom in. That's completely normal, it's meant to be fairly subtle. That said, I'm leaving you the links to all 3 versions in the video description, and you'll have them on the end screen on YouTube. And I want to thank you kindly for your time. See you in the next video.